Good morning! I have an unbagging from Aliexpress for the Coffee Owl that Ella also got. I was looking for it on New Frog because I swore I saw it on New Frog, and I didn't want to do the whole background because from what I can see, the background's one solid color. So to me, that's going to take forever just to do one solid color, and I find doing one solid color for a background is kind of boring. So I was looking for it in a partial and I couldn't find it, but I ordered it anyway. Why not? Because I've seen this one in multiple videos. She did 2 videos on it for an unboxing. She also did a framing of it, and I keep seeing it and I want it, and I was like, I just gave in. So I got it from Aliexpress, and it came from the Came Me Good store. It's a 30 by 30. It's a full square, $6.78. I ordered on 11/11. I got it on 12/5, and the Coffee Owl. And we're gonna see how many colors it is because it doesn't tell me. I placed an order with New Frog. I just got in yesterday too. So we are going to be opening that one too today and doing a video. And what I like about New Frog, not to toot their horn a little bit, it did take 36 days to get it from New Frog. And like I said, it's the holidays. New Frog's probably new for the postal service. So when they see certain things from them, I guess it's not like rush, rush, hurry, hurry. We got to open it up, inspect it. It's something new. Unlike AliExpress, you probably see so many packages from AliExpress. You're like, yeah, send it through. Because this one came really quick, and I ordered it on 11/11. And the one for New Frog, I ordered it on like October 28th. And I got both of them on the same day. But New Frog, when you go on their website, they let you know what the canvas is going to look like ahead of time in most of the diamond paintings. So when you swipe through, looking at the pictures, you'll come to what the canvas is going to look like, if it's a full or a partial. And they also show you the key on the side. It lets you know how many colors. So ahead of time, you already know how many colors you're dealing with, which I believe is awesome. I wish AliExpress would start having their sellers do that, because it would be so easy to tell if you're getting a full or if you're getting a partial. Because I've been duped with the little snowmen saying it was a full and it was a partial. But let's get opening this package. When I was small, instead of saying package, I used to say patch-a-git. My mom's like, what's wrong with you? And I didn't know I was saying the word wrong. So, package, not patch-a-git. But I like the outside because they show you what you're getting. So that's a little coffee owl. Woo-hoo. Let's get it open. I don't think I've ever ordered from this store either. So, we'll see. It says the label was done on 11/13. But still, that came pretty quick if they didn't ship it out until 2 days later. I believe that's awesome. So it comes with that fancy bubble wrap that everyone talks about. Ooh, there we go. Hello. So here we are. Standard toolkit. And it comes with a white 6-placer. That is a first for me. I know Diggy415, she just got one like this in one of her kits too. She just did a video the other day. So standard kit, no baggies. .30 by 30. I think this is true 30 by 30, not the canvas size, but the drill spacing. Because this is pretty big. We got how many colors here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 19, 20 colors. Wow. But a lot of the colors that I also have for that 80 by 60 I'm doing, I'm almost done. I'm hoping to get it done by tomorrow. So when I get back from traveling to go see family this weekend, I can start something new. One of my New Frog ones I want to start because it's going to be a gift for Christmas. So I want to get that going. That's why in a way it kind of bothered me it took so long for my order to come in from New Frog. But I don't think it's their fault. I just think it's the holiday season. So It is what it is. So I do got little baggies here. And I think they're all this small. These are tiny. Look how tiny that is. And I got small hands to begin with. Let's open this. Maybe they're actually bigger than the one they're in. Let's see real quick. Things are tiny. Oh man. People are gonna start thinking I'm like a drug dealer or something. Sorry. With all these small little bags. She ordered so many small bags. No, I'm gonna stop. I haven't ordered any. I've been picking them up from Walmart, so. Oh, this is a round, not a square. But you know what? I'm not mad. Because I've been doing so many squares lately. Especially with that 80 by 60. The 310s are terrible on there. I don't have a lot of 310s, but they're smaller than the grid. So I have to look for like a really big one if I can find one. Because even the diamonds are not the same size. I have some big diamonds and some small diamonds. And the 310s are so much smaller than the grid that I have like a half a space if I line them up. So then I look for another color that's next to it. I look for a huge diamond because they're all different sizes for some strange reason. I stick that there to kind of make up the difference on the 80 by 60. Some of the colors, some of the drills are just sticking together. It's not even static. You're just like stuck. And it's like, meow. But yeah, this is a round, so I'm not even mad. The color I have the most of is 543, which is a brown, which is probably the coffee beans. I have 1,903 310s. And the most I have is color 822, which is 1,524. So, no check mark, but it does have a stamp on it, so we'll see. And I haven't had a lot of diamond paintings, so a lot of these colors are new for me. I'm trying to understand, okay, what color is that? Like 938s, I kind of know what that is. But this is how I knew it was going to be around, because they show you around on the inventory sheet. But I'm not mad. I'm really not. It doesn't even bother me. Because I have so many squares. I've only done like two or three rounds. So, and all the rest of I've done, if you see my first video on my computer, a lot of them are squared. Only one was round in that 6 or 7 completed diamond paintings. Let's take a look at the canvas, and then we'll look at the drills real quick, and then I'll do the inventory off screen. But I'm not even mad that it's around. And as long as all my inventory is straight and the canvas is good, if it's a square or round to me, if they ship the square or round by accident, I'm not even mad. As long as everything else is here. Like I got round drills, it better be a round canvas, and it is. So that's awesome. Like I said, I'm not even mad. H. Symbol H of 310s. So there's going to be a lot of black in this than brown. All right, let's crack this open. So I'm going to try to get it. You see all the H symbols? Like that dark blue? That's all going to be 310s. So I would like to see how this is going to come out. That's a little chart. It's a small one on the side too. But it's a small diamond painting. My 80 by 60, the chart was this small. Like, hello, I can't see that. All right, very sticky, very, very sticky. Let's try to put this cover back on without crinkling up anything. Let's check the other side, and then we'll take a look at some of our drills. And then I'll do inventory. The little one's at school, so free time. So I want to try to also get that other one going. I'm almost done. I'll show you at the end of this video how much I've gotten done. So here it goes again. See the H, the dark blue is a lot of black. Well, it could be for shading purposes. You know, I don't really try to knock it until I've completed it. Like that garden one I did, grow a garden, pull weeds. Yeah. I did it first. I gave it a chance. And like I said, pull weeds, I had to redo because it did not come out at all. I was so disappointed in that one. But at the same point, I was kind of new to it, so I ordered a bunch. at first. Come on. And I'm sorry, there's like a big, I won't say crease, but like a fold in the middle, and it's driving me crazy right here. You see it in the light? Oh, driving me nuts. So I'm just trying to flatten it some. But let's look at some of these diamonds. 779, so we got browns. 779. It's like a chocolate brown. I like that color. You know what, let me try to move the camera up. So I have you guys far away, just so maybe with the light you guys can see it better. Yes, I think that might be better. The light overhead. Let's see, 315s is like a burgundy color. This is a dark, that's like a faded burgundy. More of a brownish, on the brownish side. This one is a burgundy. Stowaway. Look, I don't know what you think you're going, but you're going to end up going in the garbage. No, stop. 543s. What are 543s? 543. Symbol 5. All right. I like it when they give you number symbols and they kind of match the number DMC. Like number 4 on the canvas I have over there. It's like number 905 or 920 something. And it's like, why can't you like have it end with the number in it or something? Like number 4, 924. That kind of helps a little bit. But bakers can be choosy. A dark like the, how can I put this? Dark chocolate. Here you go. All right, I'm going to do inventory because there's not a lot of bright colors. Maybe these are like the brightest of the colors. But a lot of tans, a lot of sandy colors. So I'm going to do inventory real quick and let you know how it went. I know I keep looking this way and the camera is over here. Sorry. So let me do inventory real quick. Yay, everything's here. Everything's good. I use my favorite pen. These are my favorite. The Pentel Energels. Focus on there. I don't know why when you put it in selfie mode, it never... Well, it's the Pentel Energel. This is the color purple. I like the needle tip. My favorite. But enough with that. So, yeah, everything was here. All checked off. Everything's good. I can't complain. Every time I look at the rounds, they look so tiny to me compared to the squares. I don't know why. Every time I see them, you know what also I think about? Anybody remember those dot candies when you were a kid? The buttons on the white piece of paper? And you used to peel them off and eat them? Yeah. This is why I tell you don't put them around kids because, you know, my daughter's fine with it. I don't worry about her with stuff like that. But, as I was saying, with my rambling, from Aliexpress, they said a full square. That's what it said in the description that they give you when you placed your orders. You go to the tab, you put orders in, you can read it. It's a full square, but it was a round. And that's, like I said, I have so many squares, it's not even funny. So I'm happy with a round. Plus, it'll be easier instead of trying to line them all up. So I'm not complaining. And this one also had the round grid lines. So I might have to be a little careful and make sure I get them directly on there. But, yep. As you can see, I'm being all festive for the holidays. But thank you for watching. Have a good day. I'm going to be doing a new frog one in a minute. Oh, before I go, hold on. I want to show you how much I got done with that 80 by 60. I can't wait to get it done and show you guys the full thing. So there it is. I'm almost done. I just have that much in the right-hand corner to do. I'm trying to get it done in 2 days, but it's hard with the toddler. She wants you to stop and play with her and tickle me. But I'm trying. I want to get it done, like I said, before we leave. Today's Thursday. We're leaving Saturday morning bright and early, so we'll see how much I actually get done. But I want to start fresh and new on Monday when we get back, doing one of my partials from New Frog that I'm going to be doing an unboxing for. But I think it's coming out awesome. It came out awesome. Let's put it that way. I don't expect anything else to go wrong unless I run out of drills, and I've been crossing my fingers with that. But I think it looks good. And I already know where I'm getting a frame from. So everything should be good. I should be able to give this to church next Sunday, the 16th. That's my plan because we're having a big Sunday get-together fellowship with food. But once again, thank you for watching. You guys have a good day. And just enjoy yourself and keep on diamond painting. Bye.